Again on the Southern Miss campus, and just getting some video here. This is Southern Hall to the extreme left, Macklemore Hall. I'm coming up on Lake Byron here. You can see just massive oak trees just flipped. And in the background there you can see the destruction to the Ogletree house. Scanning around here, just trees just split. Look at that. Tops of these trees, bridge at Lake Byron, and there's not much left to it. Got crews out here working, cleaning up the street. Looking back toward the front of campus here. And look, let's walk over here to this. This is right where the tornado came across. I mean, these oaks, we tailgated underneath them every year. So many memories here. It just breaks my heart. I mean, look at this. So thankful. Nobody has been reported with any fatalities yet. Lots of people out observing. It's just heartbreaking. I'm going to try to make my way over to the alumni house and get a close-up of that. This is Patrick Lowry, and I'll be back later, guys.